What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can withdraw money from TapSwap. Well, withdrawing money from TapSwap is currently not possible. However, you can actually withdraw the TapSwap coins, which you can, store it for now because there is no official value of TapSwap right now. So because the coin is yet to be launched. Since you don't have any value, you can't sell it. So how you can do it? For that, as you guys can see, I'm at my Telegram wallet. Now here, I'm just gonna open up my TapSwap. As you can see, TapSwap just popped up. Here, if I click on Connect Wallet, you will see all these wallet options. You just have to click on this View All Wallet and then select the wallet according to you. Now, what you have to do is you just simply have to transfer the TapSwap coins into, any of the wallet. Once you have that, you will easily be able to, store the TapSwap coins into a wallet. And when the original value or when there is a value or the coin is listed, you will be able to sell it on that specific platform. That's pretty much it. That's all. Be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.